The cooking of the breakfast is about to begin. It's about 4:30 a.m. at the day 2, still at the Mount Gilead campground, and espresso is about to begin. Well, as you can see, espresso seems to be cooking okay. But the fire there anyway. And so I have 1 6-ounce cup of espresso, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of dark sugar-free powdered chocolate. It helps with opening up the blood vessels in the morning. It has very good nutritional qualities from that point. Alright. And the rest of the show we'll have it later. Breakfast is done, and I'm ready to begin cleaning all of my equipment and packing up all my trash so that I leave no trace. That's part of the Leave No Trace program, to make sure that everything is taken care of and there's nothing left to clean. It's extremely important to be environmental. Well, it's about 5:15 a.m. and 15 minutes to get everything packed and to get going, to start the day. And like they say in AA, the one who wakes up first is the one who has the most sobriety. All right. We'll meet again in Tennessee. Happy trails. Wow, I feel awesome. I feel like I'm transitioning into phase 2. Tennessee, Arkansas, and then Texas. It's been an awesome trip. I've done 460 miles today, and this is the campsite, and it's beautiful. This is Montgomery Bell State Park, and these are the campsites and campers, and it's just beautiful out here. And young people, old people, everybody is having a wonderful time, and it's very pleasant. And there's excellent bathroom facilities, water facilities, and after a clean shave and a shower, and it's absolutely fantastic. And my tent is set up and everything. And like I said, I did 460 miles today, and yesterday was over 600 miles. That was a record, and it's just been awesome. And this is the campsite at Montgomery Bell in Tennessee. This is the video diary program, and as usual, I preset the espresso machines and everything. And here's the tent, as usual. I set the tent up, and hopefully you can hear the crickets in the background. I can see the lightning bugs over here already starting to wake up. It's about 5 p.m.-ish or so, and it's going to be a hot day tomorrow. I have the weather report ready. The bike's working great. I oiled the chain up on it, and I think it's going to be easy going. I'm not anxious of gasoline. I'm just looking forward to having a good time, and I'm sure that the time at the next campground in Texas, Atlanta, Texas, the state campground, is going to be just as beautiful as Mount Gilead, Ohio, and Montgomery Bell here in Tennessee, and it's going to be just awesome. And dinner was at a Mexican restaurant, and it had a delicious chicken salad. I even have my own little picnic table here, and I love this place. Here comes the weather report.
Atlanta, partly cloudy, low 75, high 93. Charleston, West Virginia, thunderstorms, low 73, high 83. Charlotte, North Carolina, thunderstorms, low 73, high 94. Indianapolis, partly cloudy, low 70, high 84.
North winds 5 to 10 miles.
Well, with that said, I have to get going to sleep. I found out that in order for me to get going on time, which is approximately 5 a.m., I have to wake up at 3 a.m. in order to get all of my equipment packed and go through my meditations and also some Tai Chi exercises to keep the body fit for the bike ride. So we will meet again in Atlanta, Texas, the Atlanta, Texas State Park. Happy trails. I forgot to mention, there are excellent hiking trails over here, and I just saw some hikers pass by, and everybody's having a great time, just like I said before. So, and there's a volunteer trail maintenance program that runs right on the campground. If anybody's interested, you can come to the campground caretaker's office at Montgomery Bell, Tennessee, and they will set you up with your trail work or get you in touch with the volunteers who perform the trail work. Well, happy trails until later. I forgot to mention that there is a restaurant on this map at the Montgomery Bell State Park, and if you start over here and follow this road right down this way, over here, all the way over here, and around over to about where this road ends at Lake Acorn, there's a nice restaurant, and it's run and owned by the state park. All proceeds from the food and all their services go right back into the Tennessee State Park System. So it's an excellent place to visit and have a decent meal. Well, that's all. Thanks again. Keep coming back for the next episode. I forgot to mention that there is a restaurant on this map at the Montgomery Bell State Park, and if you start over here and follow this road right down this way, over here, all the way over here, and around over to about where this road ends at Lake Acorn, there's a nice restaurant, and it's run and owned by the state park. All proceeds from the food and all their services go right back into the Tennessee State Park System. So it's an excellent place to visit and have a decent meal. Well, that's all. Thanks again. Keep coming back for the next episode.